Are you still wondering if Monzo is worth it in 2025? When it first burst onto the scene, it was the hot coral card everyone had to have. But now, with more competition than ever, has the sparkle faded, or is it still a financial game changer? Let's cut to the chase. Monzo is no longer just a cool app, it's a full-fledged bank with over 13 million customers. So what's the verdict? For most people, yes, it's still absolutely worth it, but with a few caveats. The core of Monzo's appeal remains its incredible app. The real-time spending notifications, the budgeting tools, and the ability to categorize your spending are still best in class. The Pots feature is brilliant for saving, whether it's for a holiday or a new TV, and you can now earn a solid interest rate on those savings. But Monzo has evolved. They've gone from just a spending account to a comprehensive financial hub. You can now get loans, a credit card called Flex, and even invest directly through the app with a few taps. They've also introduced a paid tier called Perks which, for a monthly fee, gets you a weekly Greg's Treat, a rail card, and other benefits, which for some people will easily pay for itself. However, it's not perfect. While spending abroad is still fee-free, cash withdrawals outside the EEA have a limit before a 3% fee kicks in, and some features that were once free, like connected accounts, are now part of the paid plans. Some users have also noted that customer service, while 24/7, can sometimes be a little slow for basic account holders as they prioritize paid members. And if you're someone who likes to deposit a lot of cash, the £1 fee per deposit and the 6-month cap might be a pain. So, is Monzo still worth it? If you're a UK resident who values a seamless, easy-to-use digital experience and wants powerful tools to budget and save, Monzo remains a fantastic choice. The user-friendly interface, the transparent fees, and the ever-expanding suite of features make it a bank that truly puts you in control of your money. It's matured from a challenger to a genuine leader in the digital banking space. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.